Okay, one more and I'm done. One more and I'm done. Maybe it's because my hair looks too goddamn good right now. And the perfect angle and the perfect lighting. Maybe it's because I'm passionate. Da, 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 da. Okay. But this time I'm going to do it with these fucking cards, y'all. I don't even know what you call them, but you know what they're from. You know what they're from. This will be good to read a story with because one, I'll look insane, but in the best way, in the sense of I will channel. Why am I going to look at a drum and tell you so many things? Because it needs to be said. Hello. Alright, let's get started. This will be a general. Whatever comes out. Whatever comes out, I guess. Okay. Not the Two of Swords. They said, oh no, we're still going to show you the Two of Swords. Okay. Two of Swords. And something to do with a new year. Someone make 111 on the clock. Someone making an option on New Year. Someone making an option in the new year. El paraguas in reverse. El paraguas, wait, what the fuck? 5 in reverse. What am I getting from this? Someone could be directing their emotions at a certain thing, at a certain place. Directing their emotions. It feels uneven. I'm hearing uneasy. Sick. I'm hearing someone, basically somebody feels sick or hurt, right? Sick or hurt on New Year's, or making an option, 31st, or having to make an option. I feel like I'm being too loud. El violoncello. Yeah, someone's in their feelings. Someone's listening to music. Someone's hurt is what I'm hearing. El tambor. Come on now, that's the heart beating. Someone's hurt. But the feeling I'm getting is like, but now it's getting old. La luna. Yeah, I think now it's getting tiring to be in your emotions, but it's like it was refreshing. It's like, thanks me for letting myself cry type of feeling, but la escalera, yeah, just. But I think it's a more logical thing than an emotional thing. I think it's because you let yourself be so emotional, you turn to a logical thing of like, okay, let's go. Let's hit it. Let's move on. Anyways. Okay. And it's not that exact quickness of like, okay, anyways. But there is a sense of, okay, and then moving on. More like that. El cantarito. And 44 on there. Something to do with giving balance, giving in balance. And something to do with somebody admiring somebody. I saw it on my picture. Okay. La Palma. 51. La Palma. Something to do with growth. What a message to channel from a tree. It's always like growth. Duh. Here, I'll try to give you something more. Something to do with growth in the 3D. In the 3D, I'm hearing, here's a hint. This one's connected to childhood. Okay. So this one's gonna be grounded. This one's gonna be actually staying. This one's gonna actually be an actual tree. Because trees, you plant them like 100 years before or some shit. That sounds so mean. I love trees. Don't mean to sound like that. Okay, El Diablo. Okay, so there could be something about somebody getting in the way of you planting your tree. Planting your tree. There's a power to this, actually, because it's not just somebody getting in the way in the 3D. Let's say your friend getting in the way. It's also energetically. Now we're talking 5D, right? So it's the world doesn't want you to do something right now, or the world doesn't want you to do it, I'm hearing, or the world says no, which kind of sucks, right? Like, who are you to tell me? Because who's really out here living? But they don't listen. Okay. La maceta. Yeah, look. Growing something. Okay, so now somebody. Okay, look at that. So now somebody's growing something in private. First, they're like out here trying to grow a tree, trying to grow a baby with the tree. And then now it's like, you're a fucking buzzkill, you fucking bitch. Okay. So now, I had to buy a fucking maceta. And you know where the maceta is? It's this one. Oh, they're building, but also what? Oh, we reuse, reduce, and we recycle. Yeah. La botella. More to do with somebody and their feelings. But I'm also getting this energy of like, get the fuck over it. Come on now. But that's what they're saying to themselves. 8 up there. So if you think I'm being a dick. Oh, 606, 1. And 2, 8. Which means, you know, balanced out. Which means, hey, I'm not being a mean person. I'm saying what has to be said. El Sol, the sun card. Yeah, somebody just waking up. Someone's been like, looks like crying in the bed for 2-3 days. And then, you know, you're like, okay, let me open up the blinds. And then you're like, oh, I guess it does make sense that the sun helps me stay alive. I don't know what I'm saying. La estrella. Okay, so with this, 646 on the clock, it's talking about astrology. So I would get into your astrology really quick, at least for this transit or whatever, because there's an emphasis on you, your star at this time, like it was meant to be type thing. Like you weren't, you kind of, you knew, but you know the contract was signed already, like before this lifetime, things like that. Like it's like a bus stop, and your star is coming up. Yeah. There could be something to do with solar eclipse. Solar eclipse, emphasis on that. And if you look at the numbers, oh, I guess, well, no. Okay, if you look at the numbers, look, it's 35, and then this one is 46. 3, 4, 5, 6. Do with that what you will, or just take it as confirmation that basically it's a transit, it's a thing. If you want to put an easy, simple way to take it in, it was written in the stars. It was written in the stars. La Garza, something to do with somebody speaking movement, of course, because of the type of, but it's something to do with speaking. I'm getting Pisces. Oh, I was supposed to do 8 minutes. Fuck. Me stressed. We'll have like 30 seconds left. So last one, El Mundo. Someone tired and bored is what I'm getting. So I guess we're gonna end it like that. Peace, love, harmony. Now I have to wait till 9 minutes because why not? But this was fun. Maybe I'll cut this part out. Maybe I won't because I'm too lazy. Bye.